Kunyihio gwa kigina kiria kigayagirwo thukuru cia university, kwaya gucungiriria namba nene ya arutwo gutiganiria mathomo na gucungiriria mirurungano ya o muthenya ya arutwo na aruti wira a university. Thiini wa mendekithia ma budget ya mwaka wa 2024-2025 ruhonge rwa ngombo cia university ni ruo HELB rugairwo ciringi bilioni 2.4 hari ciringi bilioni 13.8 iria cirabatarania niguo gukaheanwo ta ngombo kuri arutwo a university mwaka wa mbere rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa ugai wa kigina kia university.
Students will join in September. We have enough money for their scholarships, but the money that is available to help is 2.4 billion. So with this 2.4 billion, they can only fund 21,512 students.
Angikorwo kigina giki gitiguthurimo weru gicunjie kia 82.5 hari igana aya ari arutwo 121 aria matanyitwo gukaingira university mwaka ukite matikamukira ona ndururu ya ngombo cia mathomo kuma kuri thirikari.
This means they are getting less money to fund two cohorts of students.
Ihinda-inĩ riu kigina kiria kiendekithitio ni undu wa ngombo cia arutwo a mwaka wa keri kinyagia mwaka wa gatandatu ni kinyihitio kuma ciringi bilioni 31.8 mwaka wa 2023-2024 kinyagia ciringi bilioni 28.1 mwaka wa 2024-2025.
Continuing students, it is the funding is based on the differentiated unit cost. Yes. And this is whereby the allocation is not rationalized and it doesn't follow criteria. So we have a crisis there.
Maya magithiaga na mbere university nyingi no cithiete na mbere kuguciriria mathire maria marugameire ciringi bilioni 67 kwa ihinda riri.
We have been able to resolve some of the pending bills, and we are projecting that within 5 years we may have been able to resolve some of the bills, but there's still a gap here where we require support.
Mathina maria magumeire university imwe ona kuhanura uguo maya kwihiriria na o ni thutha wa university imwe kwaga kugairwo kigina o giothe thiini wa mendekithia ma budget ya mwaka wa 2024-2025 imwe cia university iria itagairwo ona ndururu ari University ya Moi, University ya Eldoret, University ya Kabiaga na University ya Nairobi.
We received a budget for allocations to the various universities, which had been determined through the DUC by the Universities Fund. And as we held further discussions in the National Treasury, it was agreed that those budgets be reduced to nil, and that reduction was based on the current financial year budget.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.
It's never final. So when do you always just say yes?